Hello guys, welcome to Techno Planner's video tutorial. In this video we are showing how to install Dolby Digital sound on Asus Zenfone 5. For this tutorial I am using Zenfone 5 but you can install it on any Zenfone. So first download Dolby Digital APK from Techno Planners, link given in description. Now copy APK file to internal storage or a SD card of your device. Go to File Manager and install APK, wait until complete and choose Done. Okay, just go back. Now go to Setting, select Sound option, then Music Effect and choose Dolby Digital, then select OK. Go back. Now open Asus Music app. Go to Setting, then select Fine Audio Tuning and enable Dolby Digital Plus. Now you can use Dolby Digital sound on your Asus Zenfone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.